MRP View XLNce displays all relevant information like stock information or material master data in one navigation screen. What is the benefit of this app for the user? Modern visualization in Fiori, material overview in one screen, easy period selection, detailed information with one click, single material or aggregated view, time and cost savings due to efficient presentation and analysis of the inventory of materials. With this app, the user gets the possibility to recognize shortages as well as surplus stocks early enough to initiate suitable measures. Transparency, all essential dispatcher information in one. The aggregated view in the initial screen makes the application clear and user-friendly. The complexity is significantly reduced. Nevertheless, all detailed information remains directly accessible through drill-through mechanisms. This creates maximum transparency. Quick decision, no hopping from app to app. Bringing all relevant information together in one central navigation screen enables fast and secure decisions without jumping back and forth between different apps. In addition, MRP View XLNce allows drill-through to all detailed information and provides a direct control option. Planning reliability, view on future inventory trend. By displaying future inventories in quantity and value, excess and shortages of inventory are made visible at an early stage. This results in the best possible planning result. A features overview. Modern visualization in Fiori design. Material overview in one screen. Easy period selection. Detailed information with one click. Single material or aggregated view. All information in one screen. Display of all relevant information in one navigation screen. In addition to all stock information, material master data is also available in this screen. This makes handling easier and ensures transparency and planning reliability. Different perspectives on inventory development. Inventory development of materials in different views. For example, requirements, receipts, or availabilities. In addition, a selection of different periodicities is offered. For example, day, week, or month. Jump to all relevant activities. All functionalities are available to the user for a single material, a selection, or the entire list. In this way, MRP controllers or purchasers can organize their personal work list clearly and effectively. Single jumps to further processing and detailed analyses are easily executed here. View of individual materials with one click. Whether aggregated material list or view of individual materials, you get the bill of materials with one click, clear and well-structured. Multi-level view. Quick access to different levels of detail through simple drop-down menu. Excel export and selection of the desired BOM usage. For example, BOM for sales, manufacturing, or design. Conclusion. Time and cost savings. Efficient display and analysis of the material stock. Transparency. All essential dispatcher information at a glance. Quick decision. No hopping from app to app. Planning reliability. View of future inventory development in quantity and value. MRP View XLNce on SAP S/4HANA offers the central control unit in the public cloud. Remain capable of action. MRP View XLNce by IFM. IFM, close to you.